Ka Ministry Home Affairs kala ithuh bnai khusnam Police Medal for Meritorious Service MSM ya Heh Pulit Uba ru USP ka Shillong City Bah Vivek Syiem but un selection Nongbah Delhi ban let shim nakakti jong ka President kari India ka Droupadi Murmu haki bnai banwan nakaliang Bah Vivek Syiem pynpaw ka jingkmen ya ka sorkar India baka ithuh ya ka kam jong ki pulit ka jylla bakilala ban peit ya ka suk ka saiñ bat ban pynduh jait ya drugs.
Feel good about it, but I think I owe it to my team who have been working with in the quest for public service, delivering safety and security to the public. I owe it to my superiors, my senior officers who have been guiding me, who have been actually the bedrock actually of all my work, and they've been very supportive. I owe it also to my family, who have always been supportive. It motivates me and my team, because I owe this to my team. It motivates us to work harder and to deliver better. And I owe it to the government, actually, who has always been supporting officers who actually want to deliver. Thank God. This is police, and in fact, Meghalaya Police has launched a war against drugs, and this has gone on a war footing. It's in mission mode, and it's not only war against drugs. East Khasiat's police is fighting cybercrime. It's there for maintaining law and order. But yes, the increase of drugs, the increase of trafficking, increase of people getting into drug addiction is alarming, and our fight will continue.
May I request
and we need the help of the public.
the awardees of the cultural program to please come forward.